Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in here I want to make the tutorial for the new project about Talk to Me. So in here I'm on dashboard, so you just create a project and then name the project. So the project name will be Talk to Me and tutorial. That's for the example. Okay, just next. And then for the app name is Talk to Me, and for you can finish. So we're here on the the studio. So next, just change to the Samsung Galaxy S9. After that, the first thing to do is to put image on here, and for the width is just fill parent, and then for the picture you can upload it. So for the picture you can upload it this one. You can make by your own. That. Okay, next. After that, you go to the layout, general, and in here there's a space. So you just put it and then fill parent. No, not like that. I mean the the what? I mean the screen one. The screen one. The align horizontal is to center, and then align vertical is to go to. Is just go to the stop. Then next, we'll reset it. So just delete and then put again the space, and then you go to the middle, and then now we'll try 10%. Okay, maybe 6% enough. Okay, after that, we will go to the which one? Text box. So text box you just put over there, and then next for the error text, no, there's no error text, and then for the hint text, you just type input something, and then for font type space the Roboto regular, and then for the weight is you just fill parent. After that, error text, I think no for that one, and then next is to add the space again. So go to general and then add space in here, and next you will need the horizontal alignment, horizontal alignment, and after that we will go to the vertical, I mean center, and then next fill parent. For the height, no, for the height maybe around 10%, no, maybe 20%, no, maybe 1%. Okay, for the height it should be 5%, maybe 10%. Okay, after that you just put the button on here, the button, and then next for the background color will be purple. After that, for the text, the font is Roboto regular. After that, for the size is 16, yeah, and then font bold. After that, for the text, so this one for speak. Oh, don't forget to add the icon over here, the speak.
Okay, so the
speak icon.
You can change it to
okay.
Something.
After that, you just go to the layout general and then space, and then add some space. After that, done automatically, and then you can copy this one and then move to the other side. After that, you can go. I mean, you can change this one into. Don't forget the emoji first. After that, this one is record. Okay, after that font enabled, and yeah, it's done. And for the height, I think for the height is 20, no, not 20%, maybe 10%. Okay, it should be 5%. Okay, you can maybe this one is 7%. 7%. Oh no. maybe 50%. No,
and then you can
it
change
should be 25%. Okay, so for the Hague is 25 and same like this 7%.
the
After
size
that for
is
this one is 25%. And for the font size you can change into 20
and then
and
you can
this
change it
one to 20.
to 6 sorry,
Okay, after that
and then
what we'll do,
this
so
this
we will
120
change the name like this one, this image space text box. Okay, for this one you just change the name into a wait, oh this one
okay.
change
After
the
that,
name into
if
speak
you
button,
have made the
speak,
size,
and for this one change to
and then
record.
there is like
Oh my, I mean change to, yeah,
button
record.
reset here.
So why
There's the color
I
of
do
both.
this,
So
yeah, you will
I
see
make it
in the
from
next step. So the next step
mine and I put it in
will
here.
be
So you need
blocks.
to
Yeah,
make it
so we
first.
will
I mean
coding,
type
not
first.
coding
Count
actually, we
something
will
or
drag
if
the
not,
blocks, say in like this. This is
so
the
I want to
example of the blocks. So this when screen size one is, yeah, we will make all of this.
this one reset.
So first, when the screen one,
Like that. And
when the
next
screen
will
one
be
menu initialize,
this.
after that there is
Still there is
a
text box button.
collection.
So you just remove it.
What is the collection?
Text and
Wait guys, let me find it first.
okay.
Okay guys, I forgot something. So
The width make it
actually
10.
we'll less block, so we just go to here and then
Give vertical
go
alignment.
to the utilities, and in
Before
here
that you need
there
to make it
is
center first.
well, decoration. So you just add
The alignment green color
decoration,
and the
I mean
alignment vertical.
just add in the screen,
Now
in the phone. After that
you just
go to the social, no, go to the sensor, no, go to the media, media, and then in here drag the speech recognizer and text to speech. So after you're done we can continue. So next in here go to the decoration. After that pick this one,
and then change it
decoration, set shape, component, background color, border color, and is round.
here.
Okay, next we will go to the first, go to the
So you need to
text
define
box
first
input first, and then in
button
here
and speaker.
you will find like this.
Okay,
So which
the
one
the
we will
right
take?
one,
The
can be
no, just take this one and then
this button
wait,
and then remove the text. This and then second button.
wait, never mind for that one. So we'll go to color first. So in color we put this one, background color. After
So
that
for make it
go again and then put this one,
this one,
the purple and the white. Red is round, we will put the, we will put the logic in here, there is false. So the next step is the next step we will go to text box input again. In here there is text box 1. So just get it. So that's why we change the name. So for make it easy when we drag the block. So in here I will change to text box input. Nah, that's why. Okay, next go to the decoration again and then tag this one, set the padding and component and values. So what will we do on the next step? The next step we do we just copy this one. Never mind, we can copy it. So just go to the text box input and tag this again. After that, for the second one, go to the math and then no, not this one. This one, the math, and then yeah, the math, and then take that one and type 10. After that, go to the text to speech and go take this one, text to speech one and country. So 2, and for the 2 is gonna be, wait, that one.
So
So the
it depends
text
on
box
the
is gonna be.
you are giving when you are giving name and when you are changing the name.
Wait guys,
So
it should be
if
on
the
here.
name is text box one, the name is text box one. If you change it to be body box text or text box, whatever, so the name will be like
Okay guys, I just forget, and
and then
we'll go to
after
the
that,
next the
next
next
is
step.
to
So the
speak
next
on
step
the
is
email.
this. Just put over there and then
Speak this.
type INA. Okay, after that we will go to the next. This is the first block code, so the second
So
block code will be
make it
like this. Yeah,
like
this is
this one,
simple. When speak click and text to speech, speak mention and text box input.
and then
So we'll go
go to
to
text,
the
and then
speak
if it is done,
this one.
then
When speak click.
you can write email,
So when speak click
and then the next is speak
whole
button.
message to
Speak button you can
this
put it
one.
on here. Speak.
So actually this is from all is from speak
Speak
maybe.
button you can type on this one.
Okay, never mind. I think there is no in here. Let's check on decoration now. There's no. There is no.
It's done. And then
Oh, this one text to speech, and then after
take
that,
it speak
we will
button,
add from the text box input.
speak button,
So
type
text box input, you just take this one
like this.
and put on there. There's a problem, a bit problem. Let me fix it, guys.
Out. So go
Okay,
to
I
text box.
forget. There there is go to text box input, and then there is this one. I forget. You need to add like this the text after text box input. There is text.
Block.
So what we do after that? We will copy if we can. Okay, we can
Next
copy it,
this one.
and then for this one go to record,
Then
and
the
for
next is the text
this
button.
we delete it and go to
Button.
speech recognizer and get the text. Okay, that's for the third block code. Next, we will go to the text to speech.
And then
So text to speech after getting result. Uh, wait, after we get the result, what happened? Wait, so text to speech after getting result. After that, uh, text to country. No. Okay, never mind. I think change this. Oh, cannot be changed. Okay, so we'll go to speech recognizer and take this one. After that, go to the text box input, and in here take
this is a button.
the
And then there's text box one text, and then
take
text like this.
the text box input and then text and to get the result. And yeah,
But
that's
you
all
need to save
for the block code. So this is the UI of the block code that we'll remake. For the image, yeah, I forget to tell you that's for the image.
so
You
just
can
go to text
you can make by your own in Canva or Figma, and just download it and remove the background, and you can upload to here. Oh yeah, by the way, for the image the maximum is 5 MB.
ini ada set button, go to
So this is for all the UI and this is for the block code. Okay, maybe that's all from my second tutorial project. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.